Alright guys, today we're going to be talking about Bluegrass Hive and honey, so stay tuned to the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, beard tips, gear reviews, and gear tips, then you've come to the right place. Today we're going to be taking a look at some oil and balm from Bluegrass Hive and Honey. As you can see, this awesome swag. They sent me this stuff out to test and review. If you didn't catch that unboxing, I'll put a card up top and also link it in the description below. You can get over and check that unboxing out. So what we're going to be taking a look at today are two combos, oil and balm. So the first one we're going to look at is spicy. Check out that bright orange label. All right, so Bluegrass Hive and Honey, they are based out of Lexington, Kentucky. Everything is handcrafted there in Kentucky, and they've been around since 2015. So their oil, like I said, comes in a 1 ounce amber glass dropper top bottle. Ingredients on their oil, all natural ingredients: apricot kernel oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, organic clove, ripe orange, and peppermint essential oils. That is what is in spicy. So you can see that. I love that logo, that B, and then this label is awesome, bright orange. You can't miss it. So I've been using this stuff for well over a week, and wanted to give you guys a review on it to let you know what I think about it and do I recommend it. So the spicy comes in at kind of a yellowish color. I think the camera makes it look a little darker than it is, but kind of a yellowish color. It's more on the light to medium, in my opinion, on consistency. And when I smell that, I get that peppermint, I get that clove, and I get hints of that citrus coming in there. Smells really, really good. I'm not going to do a whole lot because we got another oil to look at, but we'll drop 2 drops there on hand. You can see it's a fairly light to medium oil. So let's get this rubbed in. So when you heat this up, that citrus pops and you get that clove giving that spice. It smells really, really good. Now the scent with this citrus, that scent didn't last very long. That's the one problem we have with citrus scents. However, this oil did remarkably well in hydrating and making my beard super, super soft. Both of these oils did. There was a couple days where I did testing, and while I was at work, I ran a comb through my beard and I was like, did I put butter in this morning? What did I put in? And I had to remember that I put this oil in, and my beard was extremely soft, like crazy, like butter. I had put in butter, soft. So let's talk about the balm. Balm comes in this 2 ounce screw top container. Nothing on the back. You can see it's dented a little bit. Nothing on the back, but it's still got that orange label. Ingredients on the balm: shea butter, beeswax, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, and essential oils. So this is kind of that off-white color, and dig in here. It's got a little bit of a hold to it. It's not a firm hold, but it does have a little bit of medium hold. Now when I smell this out of can, I do get the carrier, the nuttiness of some carriers, and the beeswax and the butters. I get that carrier. So there's not a whole lot of fragrance in there to match it to the oil. So the scent, I've already emailed them and let them know that I think that the carrier blend is a little bit much on both of these balms, that they need to kind of pick up that fragrance in here, but it does really, really well. Some of those days that I could run, every day that I tested this, I could run a comb through my beard with 0 problems. And if you guys can't tell, I don't straighten my beard. My beard is like super curly all the time. And for me to be able to put a product in and 6 hours later get a comb through my beard. That's a big deal. So this I was able to. It is amazing. So like I said, if you can get past the carrier, and I've said this in other videos to other companies, if you can get past that carrier scent, that carrier smell, then this stuff is absolutely amazing. So let's talk about the next one, is mint julep, which is a staple for Lexington, Kentucky. So we got a different color label, different style label on this one. Still got that logo, that bee. And ingredients on this one, most of them the same: apricot kernel oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, organic spearmint, essential oils, and natural fragrance. Shake up. And I get that spearmint. This one was one of those fresh, it smelled really, really good in beard. This one, the scent doesn't change a whole lot when you warm it up. It's a little bit clearer than the other one. It's still got a little bit of a yellow hue to it, but it still get a little bit on my hand here, so you can see, and we'll heat that up a little bit. You just get that spearmint. I get no carrier, I get nothing like that. That spearmint is what you get, and it smells absolutely amazing. It's just a fresh, clean, good scent. Now this stuff absorbed, both of these oils absorbed in my beard really well. It hydrated the skin, hydrated my beard really well, felt really good in beard. So let's talk about the mint julep in the balm. Well, ingredients on this one: shea butter, beeswax, jojoba oil, vitamin E, essential oils, and fragrance. This one's a little bit whiter than the other one, and it's a little firmer than spicy. And I get a little bit of that spearmint. I get a little bit more of the intended scent on this one than I do spicy. Spicy, I just pick up a lot of carrier. With this one, I get more of that intended scent. I get that spearmint. And let's take a little bit and emulsify that down. So you can see, I'll just hold my finger right there. And it's gone. Got a little bit on hand. So, and like I said, it's a little cool out here today, so it's going to take it a minute to actually work down, but it's got a little bit of a hold to it. Not a whole lot. It's kind of in that medium hold range. And when you warm this up, you just get that spearmint. You just get a little bit of that carrier on the back side, but you get that spearmint. So really good. I love the mint julep. So both of these scent profiles are absolutely amazing. I recommend them. My favorite of the two is the mint julep, just because it's the spearmint. The scent lasts a little bit longer. Both of them did remarkably well with hydrating my beard and conditioning my beard, better than I expected, with kind of a medium holding balm. But it was absolutely amazing. Can't recommend these enough. So I'll drop links in the description below. If you've never heard of Bluegrass Hive and Honey, at least get over and check out their other scents and the other products that they have. But if you're interested in these, I will definitely drop links in the description. You can get over and check them out. So if you found this video helpful today, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.